Hi friends, do you want to make awesome kids animated videos for free? And guess what? No copyright issues on YouTube. So today I'm here to show you step by step how to do it using AI tools. Let's dive in. First things first, you need a script for your animated story. If you don't have one, no worries. I used chatgpt to create my story script. It's super easy. Just ask ChatGPT to write a fun, kid-friendly story for you. Next, let's turn our script into an animated video. Go to Google and search for hyper.ai. Click on the link that says text to video. Once you are on the website, scroll down to find the text box. Now, copy the first sentence of your story from ChatGPT and paste it into the text box on hyper.ai. Then click on create video. It only takes a few seconds and yes, it's done. Your first animated video is ready. Download it by clicking here. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the next sentence of your script and repeat the process on hyper.ai. Paste it, click create video and download it. Keep doing this for each sentence until your whole story is animated. Great! Now that all your video clips are ready, let's clean them up. Use the link in the description to access a free watermark removal tool. Upload each video clip, remove the watermark, and download them again. Easy, right? Now, let's put all together. Open Canva's video editor. Upload all your watermark-free videos here. Arrange each clip according to your script. Add transitions, background music, or even text if you want. Make it fun and engaging, yes, right? Now it's time for the final touch, voiceovers. You can use any AI tool for voiceover, or simply you can click here and do your own voiceover. Once your voiceover is ready, now it's time to export your masterpiece. Click download to save your animated video. And guess what? It's ready to be uploaded to YouTube with no copyright issues. Just upload it to your YouTube channel and you are all set. Your beautiful, engaging animated video is ready for the world to see. Here you can see that this video is created by saying this process and I didn't get any copyright issue. See, it's that simple to create free animated videos using AI. No copyright headaches, just pure creativity. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.